don't tell white.
Your makeup.
I can make my eyes look like a grudge. Okay.
Don't get this girl.
Well, Tyler's beautiful.
Psyche, baby.
Psyche You just did not say psyche baby.
You look like a doll.
See? No, I look retarded.
I think you have a tongue.
Just kidding. No, I don't. I don't. No, cover.
Dude, you're so pretty.
Okay, you guys want to see a scar? Right there. On my chest. From when I was little, because I kept on scratching it like that. And then... I get camera shy.
Dude, is it? Oh, no. Camera shy, my butt.
Tunnel, you're so white.
I am white. You need some color.
I can get white if I get closer to the light.
Let's look at our eyes.
Let me see your eyes.
Get up, outside.
Your little eyes are like that.
Dude, I can't chill. My eyes are like... Ew, look at my nose. I have a huge nose.
Okay, I have a pimple right there. A pimple. That's gross. You may not show this to any hot guys. I will chew you. Well...
Mine
I can
tell me
make
you're
my
still
tongue.
going.
I can make my tongue touch my nose.
Yeah, I
Can
can't.
you
I'm
really?
just kidding. I'm just kidding.
My tongue's not that loud.
Oh my gosh, my sister, she has a friend, and she has another tongue.
Another?
Mm-hmm.
Like split?
Mm-hmm. But it's under there. It's crazy.
Crazy sister A.
Yeah, I don't feel like touching anybody right now.
Oh. Well, I look fat in this dress.
I look fat all the time.
What if I want to just go with the dress this short? Pull down that dress. I'll be like this the whole day. No,
crap.
Sorry, you're showing my information. My information. I look like I'm going to church.
Ew, my hair's all messy.
Guys, I'm going to church. No, girl, I go to church with the longest this long.
Hey, makeup hard. Well, on some more.
How I can talk white.
Oh, yeah, like, OMG, like, let's go party.
Okay, I'm going to talk smart, okay?
Talk smart.
Charles Darwin ate an owl in 1786. And 18 plus 18 is 36. I think we are like, this is just one.
Show the wall.
Toothpaste on it. I love this story.
Oh, yeah.
You're beautiful.
Ugh.
You're beautiful. Okay, let's look through what's in my bag.
A letter from my parents.
Just kidding.
There's no letter.
Would you like a cough drop? It's all about him. And it's all kind of big guy.
I do. How did you know that was going to happen? How did you know?
I can't see it. Oh. You can't see my back because it's dry.
Hey, makeup hard. Put on some more.
No. I'm itchy.
Dude, it's freaking hot.
Girl, you strip.
I work. That's what you like.
Yep, that's what I like.
Grab this. Nothing on it.
Baby lotion. I love how Tyler just looks so Asian.
I'm so white.
What is this? Toothbrushes?
Hey girl.
You
touch your face. My head. Head and face, there's a big difference.
You know you're showing your face, girl.
Here's my face.
Pretty face.
Nope. Ugly face. Ooh. You know, when I jump, my skirt goes up, and that's not good. Not a good. Tyler, I really like the store.
I bet you do.
I do. I like the gym store.
Yeah, get off my door.
I'm so kidding. It's all about him, and it's all about. Tyler, smile. Look at your dimples. I want to, like, pull them out of you. Like,
That'd be hella ugly.
pull. The only thing that makes me look pretty is, I don't know.
Everything.
Nothing. Nada. For your nada.
It's always done.
Everyone, High School Musical.
Look at my beautiful nose. Just kidding.
Talking about a beautiful way.
Not a
Real. Natural. Remember when we were little and we would always grow our nails
I
long?
know.
And I'm always getting my lips cut.
We never cut them. Yeah, Tyler's whiter than me because I'm.
I need some color.
And I have big lips, so. When I make big lips, I look like a duck.
What's up? You do those big lips, Tyler. I can make weird noises. Woo, girl, showing too much information. Oh, this is making my eyes.
Well, probably think I'm hella unattractive right now. I'll put this on YouTube.
It fell. Oh yeah, and I look retarded on all of YouTubers.
It's okay.
That's right. It's all good in the head.
It's all Gucci.
In the hoochie. A Gucci.
These are my recent lips.
It tickles her.
Tana likes to show them tongue.
I
I have a small tongue.
I have a fat tongue. Watch it tickle.
My friend could do some cool stuff with her tongue. My tongue's small.
My tongue can look like my bottom lip.
Bite your lip, girl. I don't like biting them. Feels weird. You want a claw shot? Claw shot.
Oh!
Put it back in. Ew, is that a hair? Not a hair.
God, you're so white.
Dude, my nose is big.
I think big noses run in the family. Does it? I don't know. I don't really know.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Wink wink. There's a hard to wink.
I look like a...
I just pick one you. And this is going on YouTube. I don't care. Everybody gets wedgies.
Shake what
so.
you want to get.
Shake what you want to get. I'm kidding.
I can't do that.
I can shake what my mama gave me. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna shake it in front of. Look how white Tom is compared to me. See that? See that? See that? Oh, yeah.
That really hurt me.
Oh, look at my face. I look retarded.
Is it wet?
Huh?
Is it wet?
Is this wet? Oh no, we got packed.
Look
Don't look at my toes.
What?
Don't look at my toes. Don't look
Is
at my
it dark over here?
toes. Is it?
I don't know.
Ooh, yeah.
We're in a tub.
The bathtub. Ooh.
Oh God.
Whoa.
Is it cold?
You're freezing. My butt cheeks just touch the floor. Oh, cool outside. Got a glow stick.
Dude, this is recording for 10 minutes.
Nuh-uh.
Hell yeah, dude, not so that long.
Damn. I like spanking bathtubs. Like that. That's nasty. I'm just kidding, guys.
Mhm.
I'm just kidding.
Dude, is this here like a bullet? Do they shower here?
Huh?
Do they ever shower here? No, huh?
I hope so. I hope you dopey so. What if I on the water?
Dude, we should record grappling.
Huh?
That'll be hella funny.
That'll be fine. Hold on. Just like this.
Should be a motto.
No, I shouldn't. That's what my bus driver said, and I got so scared. I was like,
What? You
run out of the bus, run out of the bus.
Lay it in the tub. Oh my God, did it make it dirty?
Is it dirty?
Oh, that's not from you, though. I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
Ew, I don't know. It's nasty.
You just wipe it on your scarf.
I don't know where else to wipe it.
We go sweat
Oh, there's another shower.
Ooh, glow stick. Ow.
Watch out.
Oh!
Matt, we can't on their TV or something?
Huh?
My nose is itchy.
You wanna watch TV?
Oh no, what is this watch? Do they have cable? Do my nose itchy?
Kibo? Dude, I freaking love Kibo.
Kibo?
Oh, I thought this was Cuba.
I don't know what that is.
You don't? Well, Cuba is when you don't have fever and it's really bad. And when you don't have Cuba, you watch lame cartoons. Yeah. They're not lame though to me. They're beautiful.
I wasn't even trying. It's like this.
Hey, let's go.
Let's watch
I can get out.
it. You want to flash or you want to get?